so remember the white bushings there that are ruining the look of these nice Rizoma mirrors? Well, Rizoma has actually upgraded them to black, and they were kind enough to send me a couple of extra ones actually. They sent me these actually in less than a week. It's pretty cool. So let's put these on, and that should be improved. All right, so these nuts are 5mm. I finally got my Bondist metric set in. These are awesome. I also got the star ones. These will be in the description below on my Amazon storefront. You guys rock for shopping the Amazon storefront. We will take that beautiful mirror off to reveal this beautiful bar end. Get a better angle there. Actually, those bar ends look very sexy with all the red showing. Maybe I should leave it like that. But I do love that look of the pinstripe. So let's put on these new black bushings. Oh my, it looks so much better. Oh, it's so much better. It's beautiful. Bellissimo. Bellissimo. Is it bellissimo? Bellissimo. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. I promised myself I wouldn't cry. All right, so you may be wondering why I'm not using thread lock. That's because I'm going to be installing these beauties right here. These are Rizoma grips, very gorgeous. After this install, I'm still not going to use thread lock because I also have a pair of CNC racing ones, which are beautiful. Here's a picture right here. You can see that they've got the red pinstripes. Bellissimo, made in Italy, awesome. But I am going to do this install for you guys. I have the CNC on order, and we'll use these, and then I guess I'll take a vote and you guys can decide which ones look better on the bike. Only the finest Italian workmanship go on this Ducati Diavel, which as you can see is a little bit dirty because I was riding today. Here's a preview of what these are going to look like. It's going to be a sexy setup. So I did say only the finest Italian crafted parts are allowed on this bike. However, I am making an exception. This just in from the UK. These Evotech parts, which will be a surprise, are super sexy for the Diavel. I'm going to be installing those. You know, a company like this that just rectifies something and then sends it out super fast to me, and even give me some extra ones, that's a company I can get behind. I've got Rizoma stuff on my other Italian bike, and I'm going to have Rizoma stuff on my next Italian bike, which is the 2021 Monster, which I'm still waiting for to arrive. I have it on order. As my dealer says, no news is good news, so we're hoping that comes in soon. This is a Stang Mode shirt. You guys should buy some Stang Mode merch for a chance to win all kinds of awesome cars, like a Mach 1, for example. And I, for one, am not going to win the car because I never win anything. But I support Stang Mode because he's cool. I know him, and he's also a fellow brother in Christ. Let's do a bonus here. Mirror hole plugs from CNC Racing, just like on my Moto Guzzi, except these are black. Beautiful. So much better. Oh, love it. Thank you, Rizoma. And then check these out. They even are oriented the correct way. Once you screw them in, CNC, made in Italy. Awesome. Looking sexy. All right, let me know what you guys think. It's fun to customize your bike, to tweak things here and there, just to kind of make it your own, make it unique, put your own signature on it. We got lots to do in this bike, so stay tuned. Still about to do the nitrous on the GT350 video, coming soon. And on that note, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you in the next one.